Thursday. We're here in Melrose. Just got here. It's about 3 p.m. Currently walking to Alfred's Coffee and Tea. It's like a really popular Instagrammable place. I always see people post about. Heard they have really good coffee and tea, and plus I'm a bit hungry. I was supposed to go to Alfred, but I wasn't really sure. It was really cute. Like the setup in there was really cute. I ended up going to Moon Juice. Love the vibe. I ended up getting just a smoothie. I think it's called, it's like the mango, something mango smoothie. And I'm just kind of chilling here. I'm gonna get some work done. Moved a little bit farther down Melrose, so we're going to Burn Babe's Fitness with Fabletics. So I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I was just informed I have to walk down to Formosa and Melrose, where everyone will be taking a picture, and then they're all gonna walk down there to Burn Babe Fitness for the class. So I'm hoping I'm not late for it. Here's Jessica. Hey.
I know that looks kind of weird getting over that bit. That's okay. Just come on over to the end, but still try to keep those feet up high, so that way you don't have to clear that part of it. Okay, so that's station 1. So we got burpees for A, tuck-ins for B, and hop-overs for C.
Just still dying, but it was good. It was definitely a good workout. Kind of felt lost because, you know, how I work out at home, so it was just kind of all new to me. Okay, so we're going upstairs. Oh my gosh, this is so sweet. They have like post-workout drinks and snacks for us. I'm assuming this is like their new collection for the month. That's cute. I love all the mesh detailing. The color of this sports bra.
Wow.
It's cute.
This is so cool.
Thank you. I love this. You're cute. Finally me and Kimmy. We've been corresponding for like years.
I think since I started Fabletics like 4 years ago.
And so finally. Workout sesh with Fabletics was really good. I mean, I don't know if you guys could hear me earlier, but I was telling you guys that I felt so lost with the workouts because I work out, I mean, you guys know I work out at home. I follow a DVD, so some of the stuff, like I really didn't know how to do them, like with the weights and stuff. I don't know, I just felt kind of out of it. But I did it, which was the important part, and it kind of made me also realize that really fallen off the whole workout wagon. So it's definitely time to get serious about it. Speaking of that, Hubs and I are gonna have dinner, and we're at the Habit, so that's like not the best, especially since, you know, I just had a workout. But I haven't eaten anything like really solid. Is this the Hubs? I think this is him. So yeah. That is definitely him. We have the tempura green beans, onion rings for the Hubs. You got a regular bacon charburger, and then I got a regular charburger wrapped in lettuce. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. So it's about like 10:30-ish, and we're gonna get the workout done for the day. I feel like I haven't really been like on my workout game. I've been working out, but I wasn't as consistent as how I have been for the past couple of months. And with my eating pattern, I'm still doing the intermittent fasting, but I just haven't been like so on it. So that's like one of my goals this week, is I really want to hone down on getting back on track with working out and the intermittent fasting, and just being more conscious of what I'm also eating. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but Sunday evening we're here at the local, I don't know, there's a carnival, I guess it's school carnival, so we just decided to kind of check it out, see what's going on. We were here last night for a bit. The lights were so pretty. We're not going on any rides because the Hubs does not want to go on rides, but we're just gonna go check it out, see what they have.